Introduce highlight features and quick overview of navor dual lens dashcam front and rear 1080p night vision waterproof backup camera. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Car camera 1920x 1080p high-speed video recording captures fast-moving scenes, and the car camera provides insurance claims to prevent disputes. The 4-inch large screen displays live images, helps you clearly see every detail when playing back and brings better visual experience. Dashcam has the following functions: sensor, night mode, motion detection, parking monitoring, loop recording, WDR, audio on/off, timestamp and more. The dashboard cam brings you a wonderful and safe driving experience. Car camera with dual lens camera provides double protection for your safety. The 170 degrees wide-angle front camera easily covers 4 channels without visual blind spots, while the 130 degrees waterproof rear camera monitors the rear road conditions of your vehicle to ensure your driving safety. When the built-in G-sensor detects a vehicle collision, the current video is automatically locked and saved to prevent the video from being overwritten during loop recording. The scene of the accident can be truly restored for a safe driving experience. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.